the features of earthquakes, the features or patterns of earthquakes and volcanoes, and we say that they are common in the boundaries, at the plate boundaries. They both occur along faults or cracks in earth crust. They large faults often occur at plate boundaries on these in these areas like this. Where plate boundaries, we mean by plate boundaries, يعني between we have a plate, for example, this is a plate and this is a plate. This is a boundary. So earthquakes and volcanoes are found at the plate boundaries. Okay, look at this. This area is called Ring of Fire. It is in the Pacific plate. Why it is called a ring of fire? Because there are a lot of volcanoes. These are volcanoes. Look at the legend. This is a volcano. These are volcanoes around this area. There are a lot of volcanoes around this area. So uh, earthquakes and volcanoes are the result of plates moving along these faults. Volcanoes at the places where magma, and we say that magma or molten rock reaches Earth's surface. And when the magma or the molten rock reaches Earth's surface, it's called lava. Volcanoes and earthquakes are common along a section of Earth called the Ring of Fire, as you see, which is the plate boundaries surrounding the Pacific Ocean. طيب هذول الصفحتين الجايه هاي الصفحه والصفحه هاي مش مطلوبه الان. The last topic or the last subject in this lesson is the patterns under the ocean. Now, if you go under the ocean, you can find features, you can find hills, you can find plateau, you can find features that you see above air surface. Yani, the mountains or the features that you see above air surface, you can see the same patterns and the same features under the ocean. One of the most important, one of the most important features under the ocean are called trenches. Okay, look, many similar landforms or features lie under the ocean. The same thing that you see above air surface. Khalid, wait. One of these features is called trenches. What is the meaning of trenches? Are long, narrow, sunken areas in the ocean floor. Trenches, to understand what is the trenches, they are like the canyons, but these canyons are under the ocean. So trenches are very close to the canyons, but they are underwater. طيب. So underwater canyons like those above the ground are low areas surrounded by steep sides. So of the most trenches are one of the most important landforms or features that you find under the ocean. They are long, narrow, sunken areas in the ocean. Now, listen, wait for me, wait a minute. I want to show you trenches under the ocean. طيب طلعت عندكم الصورة؟ شفتوها؟ طلعت الصورة ولا لا؟ Okay. طيب. This is a trench. Look, it's under the ocean as you see. This is called trench. As you see, it's very close to the canyon, but it is under the ocean. Another, look here, this also show for you a trench. This is a trench. Another, this is, look, this is a trench. Okay? So trenches are landforms or features that you can find under the ocean. Okay. This picture also show the trench, how it is under the ocean. Okay. Trenches are found or look like this. Okay. طيب. Okay, look here again. This is, look, this is a trench. This is a trench. طيب. Okay. So trenches are long, narrow, sunken areas in the ocean floor. طيب. Another important features or patterns under the ocean are ridges. Okay. Another landforms or another patterns that found in the ocean, the ridges. What is a ridge? Sea floors have ridges, which are like mountain ranges and broad basins, which are like large flat basins. I want to show you now from the internet what is a ridge. Wait a minute, please. طيب. Wait, Ahmad. Okay. This is فتحت عندكم الصورة؟ Hello? طيب. This is a mid-ocean. وين راحت؟ This is the mid-ocean ridge. فاتحة الصورة، رجعت الصورة ولا لا؟ فاتحة الصورة، تمام؟ Is it open? طيب، okay. This is the mid-ocean ridge. Look, this is the mid-ocean ridge, as you see. Okay, طيب. What is the definition of the mid-ocean ridge? The mid-ocean ridge or ridges are like mountain ranges. It is like the mountain ranges on land. Okay, simply, the ridges are like mountain ranges on land. That's it. Look here. Okay, this is a ridge. Okay, طيب. This is another picture for the mid-ocean ridge. طيب. Look, this is a ridge. It's like the mountain ranges. طيب. This is everything. This is everything about topic 2. I want to make a quick revision for this lesson. خلينا نرجع من أول. Open your books now, page 168. 168, please. طيب. Yeah. I want to ask you a questions to check or to make a revision or a review for topic 2. طيب. What is a canyon? يلا. What is a canyon? يوسف بدأ. Where is Yusuf? What is a canyon?
Found in mountain ranges are deep, narrow areas surrounded by mountain steep sides.
Thank you. طيب. What is a butte? طيب خلينا أرام تفضلي.
A butte is a single hill that has a steep side and a flat top.
Excellent, thank you. طيب عمر, what is a plateau and how it is different from the butte?
Okay. A butte, it is a single hill that has steep sides and a flat top. A plateau is a large area of raised flatland that extends over great distance.
Thank you. So both of them, by the way, the plateau and butte, both of them are raised land. Both of them have a flat top, but the plateau is larger or wider. Understood? Right. What are cliffs and where can we find the cliffs? Where are cliffs found? What are cliffs and where are they found? بدي طلاب ثانيين وينهم؟ مين بيقدر يجاوب؟ غير يوسف، غير أرام، غير عمر. What are cliffs? يلا هادية.
Are steep rock faces at the edge of a body of water.
Thank you. So they are faces a body of water. Cliffs are always at the edges of body of water, like an ocean, a sea, whatever. Thank you, Hadia. طيب. طيب. What is the meaning of pattern? When we say pattern, What is the meaning of this word, pattern? Jawad, can you answer? جواد استنى اشوف يلا تفضل.
A pattern is something that appears or occurs again and again in the same way.
Thank you very much. طيب what is the meaning of, what does the word plates mean? What is the meaning of plates? Who can explain for me what are plates? Yusuf.
Something that is not completed, like an area that's not.
طيب استنى شوي. No. Earth surface is divided into what? محمد تقدر تحكي او هادية؟ اللي بده يجاوب يرفع ايده. طيب. Plates. Earth surface is divided into plates. محمد شو يعني؟ يلا تقدر محمد.
As volcano common edges
Look.
and the plates made with rock.
طيب thank you محمد. So Earth's surface is divided into plates. These plates are made up of rocks. Okay? And these plates are always moving up, down, sideways. طيب when these plates crash together, what is the result? Mountains and volcanoes form. So when two plates are, look here, look at my hand. When two plates are crashed, look here, look at the camera. When two plates are going like this, they form mountains and volcanoes. So volcanoes and mountains are always formed at the edges of the plates. When two plates crash together, they form mountains. Like, for example, look here, the Himalaya. The Himalaya are mountain ranges. They form as a result of two plates crash together. When two plates crash together, they form mountains. طيب. ايش حكينا ايضا عن in this lesson we were talking about the patterns of earthquakes and volcanoes. طيب. Both of them, volcanoes and earthquakes, occur along faults. What is the meaning of fault? What is a fault? Yusuf?
Or cracks in Earth's crust.
Yes, a fault is a crack or hole in the earth crust. طيب. And we said that earthquakes and volcanoes are common along a section of earth called the Ring of Fire, which is plate boundaries, the plate boundaries surrounding the Pacific Ocean. طيب. And finally, today we were talking about the patterns under the ocean. We learned about two patterns, the trenches and what? Ridges. Okay? What is a trench? What is a trench? Malko, are you tired? Hadia. What is a trench?
Are long, narrow, sunken areas in the floor, in ocean floor.
Thank you. ليش
Underwater.
بيطلع صدى لصوتك يا هادية؟ ليش في صدى؟ لازم ضبط الجهاز عندك. طيب يوسف شو كنت بدك تحكي؟
You unmuted me.
هسا can you talk?
Yes.
Okay. طيب what is a ridge? حدا بيعرف شو الريدج؟ What is a ridge or mid-ocean ridge؟ طيب آرام تفضلي.
Are long, narrow, sunken areas in the ocean floor.
This is the trench. Thank you, Aram. Thank you. This is the trench. But what about ridges or seafloor ridges? They are like mountains. يعني simply الريدجز هو عبارة عن mountains بس وين؟ تحت البحر. الترنش عبارة عن كانيون بس وين؟ تحت البحر. هاي هي بس. طيب خلينا نحل listen check. Listen to check. Let's solve the listen to check. بس بدي منكم تشاركوا معي. اوكي ويت استنى شوي اللي رافعين ايدهم استنى شوي هسه شوي بشوف. Most mountain ranges lie along the edges of continents. Why do mountains follow this pattern? Again, most mountain ranges lie along the edges of continents. We mean by continents Asia, Europe, Africa, and so on. Why do mountains follow this pattern? Yalla, who can answer this question? Why mountains like Himalayas found or lie along the edges of continents, between two continents, for example, when Europe, Asia, Africa, Asia, and so on. No one can answer this question. Why do mountains follow this pattern? Yalla.
The place when the
شباب انتم معي؟
خفيفتين ملتقين مع بعض وصار عندنا جبلهم. شفت السؤال؟ هو بسأل ليش صار؟
في حدا بيقدر يجاوب السؤال؟
along the edges of.
طيب طلع بعطيكم هنت.
Why do mountains follow this pattern?
طلع بعطيكم هنت الجواب بتلاقوه page
بعض شو اسمه
page 168. Can find the answer at page 168 in the second paragraph.
The edges of the continent يعني الأطراف تبعين continent.
طيب يلا هادية نسمع. لا استني هادية لملك عشانه ما جاء.
Why do mountains follow this pattern?
علي صوتك ملك.
ليش بيكونوا هاي الدورة؟
May I write with the pen?
ملك مش سامعك علي صوتك.
May I write with the pen?
اوكي طيب يلا هادية تفضلي.
إذا طلع كان الجوابان وشوف هذا ثاني إذا جاوب.
Two occurs again and again.
لا مش هذا الجواب. ثانك يو هادية بس مش هذا المقصود بالسؤال. طيب أرام وينها؟ رفعتي ايدك. أرام تفضلي. سوري تفضلي.
When two plates are together, they cause a mountain or a volcano.
When two plates crash together, good.
Yeah.
Mountains form, yes. Mountains are formed when two plates crash.
Are together.
طيب, thank you, Aram. Write the answer, please. Yalla. Mountains are formed at the edges of the plates. Mountains are formed at the edges of plates when plates when the plates crash into one another. So when two plates or the plates crash into one another, they form the mountains. Right. And for this reason, the mountains are always found at the edges of the continents. طيب شباب هذا السؤال تكتبوا لي بجنبه مهم جدا ماشي؟ It's very important. هذا السؤال right beside it بجنبه مهم جدا important or very important. Done? طيب على فكرة ضل عنا للحصة قديش ضايل few minutes. ايش عبد الرحمن تفضل ايش بدك تحكي؟
أستاذ بس حبيت أقول له إنه النت كان عندي مش ممتاز عشان هيك ظليتني أطلع وأرجع أطلع وأرجع.
good.
يعني آسف ما قدرت أكمل هذا الحصة.
يلا ماشي ما في مشكلة.
حاضر شكرا إنه النت كان عندي مش مليح.
Don't worry.
أوكي ثانك يو تيسر.
طيب.
الله شكرا باي.
أوكي. طيب. مين خلص كتابة؟ Good. Good. اوكي نروح على السؤال الثاني. يلا بسرعة اكتبوا. ايش ارام بدك اشي؟
Teacher, the internet it was not good. What my answer was true or false?
اي السؤال الاول قصدك؟
Yeah, my answer.
لا كان جوابك صح. شكرا. ثانك يو. يلا شباب خلينا نشوف سؤال ثاني. ملك لانا بدك إشي؟ مين اللي رفع ايده؟ ملك ولا لانا؟ طيب خالد. ايش يا خالد تفضل وينك؟ ايوه خالد وينك؟ ايش يا خالد احكي.
Teacher,
نعم.
we done the first one. Can you move to the second one?
طيب لا عشان بس شفت انه في بعض الطلاب بعدهم يكتبوا. طيب هسه خلاص اوكي. الان what is the second question or question 2? Look, how, please read the question carefully. How do landforms above water compare to landforms in the ocean? What is the difference, or is there something common between landforms above water or on land and landforms in the ocean? بدي حدا يجاوب يلا، مش بس بدي غير آرام.
Teacher, I want to try.
Okay, why not try؟ يلا تفضل.
How do land above water compare to?
يعني the features طلع. I want to help you. Features or landforms above the water and under the water or under the ocean. Is there a link between them?
A link.
طيب يلا. طيب خلينا نشوف مين بده يجاوب. طيب خلينا نسمع على آرام. يلا تفضل يا آرام.
They are same because they depend on the place.
Again, علي صوتك.
They are the same because they depend on the place.
Yes, يعني there are landforms underwater and above water, يعني almost the same. We have, for example, canyons above water, and also we have canyons under the water. طيب, write the answer please. إذا ما لحقتوا أنا، إذا ما راح ضل وعندنا 1 minute أو خلص بدي أعمل أخلص الميتينج وببعث لكم الأجوبة على الواتساب. ثانك يو. اليوم إن شاء الله راح أبعث لكم فيديو. راح أبعث لكم فيديو عن اللاند فورمز، عن الفيتشرز. إيش يا محمد؟ بسرعة محمد، قربت تخلص الحصة.
أستاذ.
نعم.
كنت رافع إيدي ليش ما نقيتني؟
والله ما شفتك، أنا آسف والله ما شفتك. مش مشكلة، I'm sorry. يلا جود باي.